It's powered by Xiaomi's HyperOS that provides buttery smooth user experience. You can use the rotating crown to navigate through the interface. The raise there is to wake the display is super responsive and works every time. Hi there! This is the all-new Redmi Watch Move, a smartwatch with pocket-friendly pricing with almost all the features that you need. Comes with a huge AMOLED display, then you also get always-on mode, there's Bluetooth calling, there's sports tracking, there's health monitoring and a super well-optimized OS. It even comes with a rotating crown that makes navigating through the interface such a breeze. However, this watch is not perfect. There are some shortcomings that we shall talk about further in this video. But before that, let's start with a quick unboxing. So here is the retail packaging. You can see the image of the watch, Redmi Watch Move AMOLED, comes with Bluetooth calling, powered by Xiaomi's HyperOS. Some key features are mentioned on this side and some more on this side. Don't worry, we'll cover that further in this video. Some manufacturing details and the MRP of 3,999. So without further ado, let's quickly unbox it. So right on the top is the watch itself. Then you have the user guide, which I believe no one reads, and the pogo pin charging cable that magnetically aligns and attaches to the watch charging terminals. The magnets are actually pretty strong and won't snap off easily while charging. Alright, let's have a closer look at the watch. Let's unbuckle the strap so that we can have a better look at the watch. There you go. Oh wow. So the first thing you can see, we have a square dial and this is the blue color. And the best part is that the frame is color coordinated with the strap, which kind of looks really nice. If you look closely, the frame is also quite slim, comes with a matte finish which won't attract fingerprint or smudges. On the other side, you can spot there is a crown which is going to actually help you navigate through the interface. It's a rotating crown. If you look in fact more closely, you can also spot the microphones here which are going to assist you for phone calls. Very well built watch. The quality is really nice. It's also really slim, which is amazing. Then you get soft silicone straps with a buckle design, buckle and loop, which I'll wear it later and show you how it feels and looks. But overall the quality looks very nice. Now as you move towards the back is made of plastic and you can spot the heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor in the center and the charging terminals below. And as you press this button, you can kind of release the strap, which means you can get more third-party bands and attach to this watch, change colors, not to worry at all. There you go. Overall, the build quality and design is really impressive. Now, as I was setting up this watch, I realized you can use this watch in two languages, English as well as Hindi. Not something we actually see on any other smartwatch. So that's a move in the right direction. The Redmi Watch Move comes with IP68 rating, so it's dust and water resistant. You can wear it at the gym during your workout, you can wear it for a run, in the rain. Technically, it's also safe to be worn in the pool for swimming. But surprisingly, the watch doesn't support any kind of swim tracking. So keep that in mind. Once you're done with your swim, go to the quick settings and drain the water from the speakers. So cool. Alright, let's talk about the display. So the Redmi Watch Move comes with a 1.85-inch AMOLED display and the color reproduction is absolutely next level. Super vibrant, punchy colors with pitch perfect deep blacks. Absolutely amazing. In fact, even the smallest text is so clearly visible because this is a high resolution display. Just loving it. You can change the watch faces by simply tapping on the display. And just to give you enough idea, there are absolutely zero bezels. The display goes edge to edge with super slim bezels. Check that out. Amazing. We briefly tested the watch outdoors and as you can see, it's very clear and crisp. It's surprisingly bright for a budget smartwatch. You can comfortably see the watch display outdoors even on a bright sunny day. So let's have a quick look at the user experience. Well, the first thing you need to know is this watch is running Xiaomi's HyperOS, which is ultra smooth and very well optimized. It comes with this widget kind of interface, which is really smooth. Best part is you can custom set them as per your preference. The other good thing is 60Hz refresh rate provides a buttery smooth user experience. Everything just flows like silk. Now if you swipe from up, you can access the missed call alerts and notifications. Swipe from down to access the quick toggles. You have the sleep mode, do not disturb, toggle raise the wrist to wake the display. Then of course you can access the settings. You can turn this display into a torch or you can go further down and make it like a SOS sign, which I think is also very handy. Coming back, vibration alert. This is to drain the water after a swim. That's also very handy. Then of course battery saver mode. Turn the display on for 5 minutes just in case you need that feature. And of course diving into the settings, you have watch faces, notifications, sound and vibration. Oh, by the way, you can use this crown to navigate, which makes it so much more convenient. You also get a vibration feedback while doing this. Then display, if you come to display, you can adjust the brightness. Auto lock time can be set. Raise the wrist. Cover the display to sleep. So you just put your hand on the display and it will turn off. Then you have tap to wake, always on mode. Yes, always on display support. You can turn it on, you can connect it to smart, but remember, turning on always on display will drain the battery a lot quicker. So let's see how this works. There you go. Now you can see the time, you can see the date, you can see the month, and you can see the battery percentage as well. You can also choose the theme from here, whether you want this. You can also choose this theme. And if you are a fan of analog always on mode, you can choose that as well. Digging back into the settings, you have do not disturb, you have night mode, you have auto detect workout. So if you're going for a walk or a run, elliptical training, here is a list. It will actually recognize that you're at a workout and turn it on. Very helpful for someone like me who forgets to turn on their workouts. End workout reminders are also supported. Really cool. Then further down is layout. You can set a pin for your watch, battery, system, about watch. Coming back to the home page, right here you can see the weather, you can see your steps taken, you can do your running workout, heart rate, SpO2, breathe, stress tracking, your 7-day progress. Coming back to alarms, timers, music that's playing, and you're back to the home page. Now as you press this button, you can access the menu. Going all the way up, you have workouts, history, stats, heart rate, vitality score, SpO2, sleep tracking, stress tracking, breathing app, weather, calendar, events, task, favorite contacts, phone calling, music, camera control, alarm. Let's see. Yes, you can set the alarm directly from your smartwatch, which is always convenient. Focus app, stopwatch, timer, world clock, find phone, flashlight, and settings. I must say, their interface is buttery smooth and super easy to use, and that's the best part of it. Let's check out phone calling. So to make phone calls from this watch, come to the menu, scroll down to the phone app, and here you'll see previously dialed number, or you can just go to the dial pad. I'm just dialing a random number and clicking dial. There you can see the phone is being called. Now the audio that you're hearing is from the speaker on the watch. It's pretty loud and clear. You can mute the microphone, you can send this call to the phone, and once you're done talking, you can end the call directly from here. And similarly, you can also receive incoming calls directly on your smartwatch. There's a vibration alert, you can see the caller's name, you can reply with an SMS, you can reject the call, and you can answer and talk directly using a smartwatch. It's really convenient. Again, you can mute the microphone, you can transfer the call to the phone, and once you're done talking, you can end the call directly from here. Let's talk about the calling experience. Well, the speaker gets decently loud, not too loud as I would like it to be, but easily usable indoors. Outdoors, you might struggle depending on the noisy environment. It comes with 2 microphones, which helps cancelling out the background noise, and the other person had no problem hearing me. It's safe to say that the Redmi Watch Move is pretty reliable for phone calling. Coming to the fit and comfort. Well, the watch comes with soft silicone straps, which provide a very comfortable and grippy fit. It's also pretty light and can be worn all day and even at night for sleep tracking. My favorite part, the raise the wrist to wake the display, is super responsive and works flawlessly every time. These are small things that make the experience so much better. Just love it. Coming to health tracking. So we first tested the heart rate. There you go. Then we tested SpO2. Then stress tracking. Now as you saw, we got the readings for all, and though quite reliable, I would still say use these readings just for your reference and not for medical purposes. Coming to fitness and workouts. So the Redmi Watch Move comes with 140 plus workout modes. To quickly access it, press the menu. You'll see workouts, outdoor running, walking, freestyle, hiking, outdoor cycling, treadmill, jump rope, and more. Then you have outdoor activities, trekking. There is a huge collection: parkour, ATV, BMX, racing. In training, you have yoga, you have indoor cycling, elliptical, spinning, core training, flexibility. Wow, that's a huge list. Coming back, there's dance workouts, combat sports. You have boxing, wrestling, you have Tai Chi, you have Muay Thai, Judo, Taekwondo, kickboxing, ball sports, winter sports, recreational sports, card and board games, and so much more. Something that I found a little surprising is, even though the watch comes with IP68 rating, it doesn't support swim tracking. Though I think it's safe to wear in the pool, but surprisingly, there's no swim tracking on board. So we wore this watch for a short outdoor run. We started our workout. But remember, this watch lacks built-in GPS. But you can use your phone's GPS to track your outdoor workout more accurately. Once the workout is done, you can see your workout summary on the screen itself. Pretty handy. Coming to the battery. So Redmi claims the watch Move will last you for 14 days, which is just crazy. However, that's in best case use scenario. In my experience, with always on mode and Bluetooth calling, you will still get about a week to 10 days, which frankly is also very impressive. Battery on the watch Move is very reliable. Let's quickly check out the Mi Fitness Companion app. So right here on the home page, you can see your health and workout related data, your steps taken, calories burned, sleep tracking, heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen levels, your weight, stress levels. If you come to the second option, you can actually see all your details of your workout, and in fact you can also use the GPS of your phone to track your outdoor workouts if needed. Then if you come into devices, here you can see that the device is already paired. You can see the battery percentage. Coming to watch faces, there are 200 plus watch faces that you can download from here, and Redmi has really taken care of each and every watch face. There are times watch faces are very generic and boring, but this time Redmi has gone out of the way to make some really interesting watch faces. Analog, digital, some really cool ones. Let's download this and see. There you go. So it also downloads instantly, which is always helpful. Moving back, notification and call alerts. You can turn on from which apps you want notifications and from which apps you don't. Incoming call alerts you need or not. Fitness and health tracking. If you come into here, heart rate, SpO2, everything can be seen. In apps, you can come in here. Music, alarm, task reminders, weather, world clock, favorite contacts. Then systems. All those things can be accessed right from here. Then in security, emergency SOS, you can also set a password. In more, update, help center, about device, you can also connect it to another phone. Coming into profiles, third-party data transfer, something I'm very interested in. So you can share your data with Zepp Life, Health Connect, Strava, Google Fit, and Sunto. So that's really good. Overall, I must say the Mi Fitness app is simple and very easy to use. Alright, so in my initial impressions, the Redmi Watch Move has everything most people look for in a budget smartwatch. Best part is the user experience. It's just amazing. Yes, it does lack built-in GPS, there's no swim tracking on board, and even there's no Alexa, which I think is done because most people probably won't ever use it. So rather remove it and offer the watch at a lower price. Makes sense. If you want all those features which I just mentioned, you should surely check out the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. We had reviewed that earlier as well. I'll share the link of that video in the description, something you must check out. Now, I don't have the price of the Redmi Watch Move at the time of making this video, but my best guess is somewhere between 2499 and 2999. It should be an excellent package for that price. I'll share the price, availability details, and the purchase links below in the description. If you'd like to buy one or even two, you should definitely check this one out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.